So this is the Kawasaki Z900RS. We're going to do an oil change. And what we do is we've got a 17mm socket. Here's the drain plug, and we're going to loosen it. This is where things get really messy usually. There's a crush, you can see the crush washer there. I'm going to replace that. I've already warmed up the motorcycle, and we're going to drain the oil. There we go. Oil is draining, and I got oil on my hands. Okay, make sure that you loosen your oil filler before you drain your engine oil. It'll let the oil come out much easier. There they are. Okay, so I'm going to repair the 17mm drain plug. There's the old crush washer, and I'm going to use one of my crush washers. This aluminium one here will do the job nicely. So that is now the drain plug prepared to replace. Alright, I'm going to replace the oil drain plug. Put it in there. Now this has a torque setting. I have no idea what it is, but I'm just going to tighten it to where I think it should be. They're tight, but not too tight. It's about as tight as it was when it came off. I may check the torque setting later. So I'm going to use this adjustable oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. He says, there we go. There we go, nice and loose. Now we can remove the oil filter without any problem. Let the oil run into the drain. That is that. There's one oil filter removed. So now here is the new oil filter. Put a little bit of oil on the filter, but it already came with grease on it. But I just put some oil on it, and we'll just let that screw on. And it just has to be hand tight. You do this any tighter, then they're a bugger to get off. Hand tight. Okay, internet again. The Kawasaki Z900RS from 2019. Old change. I'm replacing the oil now. This is the oil I'm using. Same oil as I used in the BMW R1250 RT. Right, I'm just going to put it in where that red thing is. I'm not going to video that because it's just very boring, but it's 3.8 litres. So I've filled up the oil again, and as you can see, there is the level in the sight glass. It's in the bottom third. Turn on the flashlight, maybe you can see it a bit better now, but it's now filled up, and all I have to do is put the oil filler cap back on. So the torque setting for this is 29 Newton meters. There we go, 29 Newton meters.